The midsize SUV segment has never been more competitive than it is in 2026. Whether you're looking for a family hauler, a road trip machine, an off-road adventure vehicle, or simply an SUV that gives you the best value for your money, there are more choices than ever before. The problem is that not every midsize SUV deserves your hard-earned money. Some focus heavily on technology, but fall short in reliability. Others offer great styling, but disappoint when it comes to comfort or long-term ownership. That's why today's list isn't about the most expensive SUVs or the newest SUVs. It's about the midsize SUVs that truly stand out in 2026 based on performance, practicality, reliability, comfort, value, and overall ownership experience. Industry rankings and reviews consistently place models like the Honda Passport, Toyota Highlander, Kia Telluride, Honda Pilot, and Mazda CX-90 among the strongest contenders in the segment. So today we're counting down the best midsize SUVs you can buy in 2026. And trust me, the SUV at number one has become one of the most talked about vehicles in America this year. 5. Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-90 proves that you don't need to buy a luxury SUV to get a luxury experience. The first thing you'll notice is the interior. Premium materials, upscale design, available Napa leather, and one of the best-looking cabins in the segment make the CX-90 feel far more expensive than it actually is. The available turbocharged inline-six engine also gives it performance that many competitors simply can't match. What really separates the CX-90 from many rivals is how it drives. Most family SUVs feel large and disconnected from the road. The Mazda feels athletic, responsive, and surprisingly fun for a three-row SUV. And honestly, that's becoming rare these days. If you want a mid-size SUV that feels premium without paying luxury brand prices, the CX-90 deserves serious consideration. 4. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot continues to be one of the safest recommendations in the midsize SUV market. Why? Because Honda understands exactly what families want. The Pilot offers plenty of passenger space, excellent cargo capacity, strong safety technology, and a comfortable ride that's perfect for long trips. Many reviewers continue to praise the Pilot's combination of practicality and driving comfort. The new Trail Sport models have also added more rugged styling and capability, helping the Pilot appeal to buyers who want something that looks adventurous without sacrificing daily usability. One of the biggest reasons buyers love the Pilot is confidence. People trust Honda's reputation, and that trust translates into strong resale value and loyal owners. If you're shopping for a family SUV and want a vehicle that does almost everything well, the Pilot remains one of the safest choices in America. 3. Kia Telluride. When the Kia Telluride first arrived, nobody expected it to dominate the segment the way it did. But here we are. Years later, the Telluride remains one of the most recommended midsize SUVs on the market. Car and Driver continues ranking it among the top three-row midsize SUVs because of its premium interior, value, technology, and family-friendly design. The biggest strength of the Telluride is value. You get features that often require luxury brand pricing elsewhere. The cabin looks upscale, the technology is modern, and the ride quality feels refined. Many owners and shoppers also praise the Telluride for feeling more premium than some competitors, while still remaining practical for everyday use. If you want maximum features for the money, few SUVs compete with the Telluride. 2. Toyota Highlander. If reliability is your top priority, the Toyota Highlander is extremely difficult to ignore. The Highlander consistently ranks among the best midsize SUVs because it combines strong safety scores, excellent resale value, practicality, and Toyota's legendary reputation for dependability. Data-driven rankings continue placing it at or near the top of the segment. IC cars. Families especially love the Highlander because it offers three rows, comfortable seating, and available hybrid efficiency. And honestly, one of the biggest signs of reliability is how well a vehicle holds its value. People trust Highlanders. That's why used examples remain expensive and why so many buyers return to Toyota again and again. If your goal is keeping an SUV for 10 years or more, the Highlander deserves a spot near the top of your shopping list. 1. Honda Passport. At number 1, we have the Honda Passport. And honestly, this SUV surprised a lot of people. The completely redesigned 2026 Passport has earned top rankings from major automotive reviewers thanks to its rugged styling, improved all-wheel drive system, powerful V6 engine, practicality, and excellent balance between daily comfort and adventure capability. It currently sits at the top of several midsize SUV rankings. What makes the Passport special is that it doesn't try to be everything. Instead, it focuses on doing the important things extremely well. It has a roomy interior, strong performance, impressive cargo space, excellent AWD capability, and the kind of long-term ownership reputation buyers expect from Honda. Many SUVs today feel overly complicated. The Passport feels honest. And honestly, that's exactly why so many experts consider it one of the best midsize SUVs you can buy in 2026. At the end of the day, the best midsize SUV depends on what matters most to you. If you want premium luxury for the money, the Mazda CX-90 is hard to beat. If family practicality matters most, the Honda Pilot remains excellent. If you want the best value, look at the Kia Telluride. If reliability is your priority, the Toyota Highlander stands out. And if you want the most complete all-around package in 2026, the Honda Passport takes the top spot. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more SUV reviews, reliability rankings, and vehicle buying guides. And before you leave, comment below, which midsize SUV would you buy with your own money in 2026?